studies. And our case study was to basically build or make a system where we can learn to manage data and, for example, classes in a college and see which classes are available. So we had to make a system to see what would be the most efficient and accurate way to make the data like together.
Basically, the system was made. It was a very efficiently made system. Basically it's a whole website where there's no interactions, no ads, no other spam or anything else that can interfere with the usage of that website. Once you go onto there, you have certain classes that are affiliated with that community college. Most of them include yoga, technical classes like computer classes or etc. And you go onto that website, and it's one of the world's fastest and most advanced community college websites that are used around the world. And it was developed by a really special and important developer who he doesn't do it a lot, but only does it for those special colleges. Anyone who has a common sense, and if you can work a simple flip phone, you'll be able to use this website.
So you can interact it from anywhere in the world, and it is internet based?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
You can use it on your mobile phone, your tablet, anywhere. There's also a mobile app for it.
Okay. In the data required by the community college, what information does a person wanting to register have to put into the system?
If they want to register, they're going to have to put in their name, first and last name, maybe a middle name to prevent spam, their email address, any contact information, their basic background of what they're looking to do, because they have a staff that actually goes through every individual application or registration, and they review which course. If they don't know exactly what they want to do, but they're interested in going to the college, there's going to be a staff that knows exactly. They can give you a prediction of what exactly you want to do in that course.
And is the system interactive enough to take what population?
The community college is it's in a large town, so it will handle thousands to tens to maybe 100,000 people, depending on how many people will attend the community college, because the campus is very large. So the developer made the website to where it is very important, and he did make it to where you could use it for a lot of people.
How much are the how much are the courses, and how much of the money that come from the courses are going into the development and use of the database?
The courses depend. They vary on how many hours you want to take and how spread out you want it to be. Their courses can be, you can take an 8-hour course a day, or you could take a 6-hour course a day. If you take the 8-hour course, you will graduate or get your diploma quicker than you would taking the 6-hour course. But the 6-hour course is spread out on someone with a less flexible schedule when they have more important stuff to do, or they have another schedule after that specific after they go to that school. The cost that varies. It's about $5,000 if you're taking the 6-hour course, and you must attend 5 days, and you'll get all your information that you need in order to graduate and attend the career that you want to do. But if you do the 8-hour course, it's only $4,500, because you graduate quicker, and it saves time, especially gas, transportation, and everything, because a lot of the transportation for the staff members there is provided by the schools or the college. So it basically cuts costs, and basically about 45 to 50% goes to maintaining the database online, and about the other 30% goes to the staff for their payroll, and then 20% goes to taxes and government and the school itself as a whole for maintenance.
About 3 minutes.
So basically, we made a system where only one person can access it, so there can't be any issues. So we made it to where only one person that can log in is the director, and so that can prevent from any confusion or changing of subjects. Also, it can prevent security or hack-ins, which can also cause the data to become skewed or biased. This can become more secure and help students be confident in their classes.
Okay, now only the director can log in. What about people that he has that are his subordinates that need to run data on posting grades, posting certificates if it goes toward a certificate course? I mean, have y'all thought about, is there a layered effect
system is really based to see what classes are available. So if the director had someone close that he knew he could trust, he could possibly give them the same information, and they would just put in basically how many students can attend each class, how many are open, when they're open, and how it's going to work and whatnot. So,
So it does have some flexibility.
And the improvements the system can do over the old system, it can make it more efficient, and since it's an electronically run system, the data can become available faster, and it can be also more accurate. Students don't have to worry about there being like a mistype or whatnot, and this can help teachers, students, everyone, because it's just faster, and also it can help students be more confident, and like I said, they can find the classes they want faster.
What about growth in the future?
In the future, there are plans for growth because the city itself and the college itself has seen population growths in the past 5 years of about 5 to 10% every year. So there are more and more developers being added and more staff being added to support that. The tuition fees that the school gets itself, if there are in the future any necessities for an extension to the building or another campus itself in a close location, it will be possible for more students to attend, and the database can be extended because technology is changing every day.
7.